bersama Inang, kakak-kakak guru sekolah Minggu, doha sude akadongan sekolah Minggu na huhaholongi. Ianggol goar huima Kristabel Maria Esther Boru Pardede. Au anak sekolah Minggu di gereja HKBP Bakom Cileungsi, Resort Cileungsi. Au noaeng kelas 5 SD. Anggiat maboy storytelling kuon, doha tema Life Reformation through the Holy Spirit from Romans chapter 12, verse 12. Buhay jadi pasu-pasu, tusude hita saluhutna. Amin. If I can be honest today, there was a time when I looked happy on the outside, but inside, I was slowly becoming someone I never wanted to be. I became very angry easily. I often ignored my parents. And little by little, I started walking away from God. Gabi daw ahusian Tuhani. I was not living the right way, like what God wanted me to be. Every single day, all I cared about was my games, my phone, and myself. My mother would call me many times.
Esther, please study first.
But instead of listening, I became angry. Later, Mom, my father tried to guide me, but I thought they were only controlling me. I know what I'm doing, but the truth was, my grades became worse, my attitude became worse, and my relationship with God became weaker every day. I stopped praying sincerely, I stopped reading my Bible, and even when I came to church, my heart was far away from God, and I lost my focus to worship God and to listen to His words. Then one night, something happened that I could never forget. I saw my mother sitting alone, and she was crying. She looked at me and said, "I'm not disappointed of your grades. I'm hurt because of you are no longer the same child." At that moment, I suddenly realized how much I had changed. That night, I walked slowly into my room and I saw my Bible lying there. I opened it, and the first verse I read was, "Do not conform of the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." Romans chapter 12, verse 2. And for the first time in a long time, I felt God speaking to my heart again. Tuhani, dahil manadikon out. God never left me. Day by day, I slowly began to change. Not because suddenly I became perfect, but because the Holy Spirit was changing my heart. I feel the changes of myself. From angry to patient, for lazy, to diligent, and from liar to honest. I started praying again. I learned how to respect my parents. I learned how to control my anger. And I learned that true happiness only comes from God. So today, if you feel lost, if you feel broken, if you feel far away from God, please remember this. God has not given up on you. The Holy Spirit can still change your life, just like He changed my life. Ay Tuhan daw na mangubah ngoluta. Because God is the one who transforms our lives. Thank you.